Welcome back again, traders, to the channel, and today we're going to show you quickly how to analyze a chart and as far as a big figure is concerned. Now this is just a very quick overview, but it will give you a bit of a guide what I'm looking for amongst the 21 different pairs. So we start off on the daily chart. A few things I'm looking for is, are we looking, what's price over all doing? And we can see here we've kind of bottomed out and then we're just rebuilding back into this top range again. The ATR, we're looking at 43, so definitely not very dramatic at all. So we should expect somewhere around this big figure level for price to stall, especially when we've had a price run from 94, 40, 50, so we're kind of at the ATR, so we should really expect some type of response off this big figure. And you can see here this is September, so we're looking at least 3 months before it was last hit, so we're looking at what's called a very fresh big figure, meaning it hasn't been hit for quite some time. So that's on our side. We can see here on the 4-hour chart just how price has broken out of this area here. 94.60 made a run up into the big figure. Reasonably bullish overall. We can see this entire area, so we're in a bit of an upwards bullish type of price action at the moment. You'd suspect there's quite a few voids in here, so that price should come back. So this is quite nice. Price should come back towards this 60 odd area here, perhaps then pick up some more liquidity. We don't know, but that's quite an ideal situation. We then jump into the 1-hour chart. So once again we can see this reasonably bullish, excuse the thunderstorms, pretty heavy here at the moment. We broke through here, so we definitely expect price to potentially come back into this level. So this is quite nice, what we're seeing here at this point. And now we look at the 15-minute chart, so much more intraday, and we can see here about the London Open price then fairly one directional all the way up. The fact on the higher time frames we're seeing some fairly good reasons to consider this level, then this is not as scary when we get this one-way traffic. But you can see how strong these big figures are. You can see that it stopped right at the big figure. We'll see that on, even when a pair is running in one direction, it often still pauses at the big figure. Now just a bit more definition here. So we went to the big figure, paused, went up a little bit here, 95.03, that's fine, then came back in the range. So had you taken the big figure here, you would have had a chance to probably take out 9 pips, close to 10 pips, depending on your spread, and at least bring your stop right down, so you're in a free hit situation. What I've done here, I didn't see this, I was busy with another trade at the time, the Euro USD, but on the retest and the reject here, I've taken a short in here. So not as ideal, but it still works for now. So what I'm looking for obviously is price to break this key level here at 94.90, then come into here around that 83 level. Suspect we might get a little bit of support at 86. So these are all the levels. These are quite nice. You can draw them up for yourselves. When you see this type of, I guess this type of flow, price generally responds there. So it's quite easy then to consider where you need to take profits. So that's the Euro Swiss. Just a quick overview on things that might help you line up exactly which pairs you'd like to consider taking a big figure trade on.